You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 35. Creating an incident ticket with an attachment. Let's move ahead and perform this lab. To perform this lab, we are going to log in as Brian Tracy. So if you see over here, I am logged into home.atlassian as Brian Tracy. Okay. Now, let's click on Jira Service Management. Top left corner next to Home, Jira Service Management. We are in Help Center now, and under Portal we are going to select NetSoft IT Academy, and we will click on Computers. You will click on Computer, and we are going to click on Report Broken Hardware. Report Broken Hardware. Okay. Now, the summary or the description is: my laptop screen is broken. We'll give the description. My laptop screen is broken and is affecting my ability to work properly. This sort of detail I am sharing in description. Now, affected hardware, we will take an image. I have already taken a screenshot from Google and I will upload that image. So you can upload an image. I have kept it in Documents. You can upload any image of a laptop. And then, how urgent does it need to be fixed? We'll say high, because user is not able to work. It's significant, large. Click on Send. In Help Center, make sure that a request is generated. You can also go to Profile, go to Request, and you will see over here a request is generated and currently the status is open. With this, we have completed this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.